Beacons.ai is a powerful link-in-bio platform that helps creators and businesses consolidate their social media links and content in one convenient location. It's designed to make it easy for followers to discover and engage with all your important content. Connecting Beacons.ai to Google Analytics 4 allows you to track how users interact with your bio page. GA4, which became the industry standard in 2023, provides detailed insights into user behavior, traffic sources, and engagement metrics. GA4 offers a more advanced event-driven model compared to the older Universal Analytics, enabling better tracking of specific actions like link clicks and page engagement. By integrating GA4 with Beacons.ai, you gain valuable data to optimize your content strategy and improve your marketing efforts. The core mechanism for connecting Google Analytics 4 to Beacons.ai involves embedding GA4's tracking code, known as G-tag, directly into your bio page. You accomplish this by pasting your GA4 measurement ID, which looks like G XXXXXX, into the designated field within your Beacons.ai settings. Once the connection is established, GA4 automatically begins tracking key events such as page views and user clicks on your bio page. Beacons.ai takes this further by mapping link clicks to custom events, providing enhanced tracking capabilities for more detailed analytics and insights into user behavior. Begin by logging into your Google Analytics 4 account at analytics.google.com. This is your starting point for accessing all GA4 settings. Once logged in, navigate to the Admin section, typically located in the bottom left corner of the interface. This panel contains all administrative settings for your GA4 property. Under the Property column in the Admin panel, click on Data Streams. This section manages all your data collection points, including web streams. From the list of data streams, select the web data stream that corresponds to your Beacons.ai page. This ensures you're working with the correct stream for tracking. On the Data Stream Details page, locate your measurement ID, which starts with G, followed by numbers and letters. This unique identifier is what you'll copy and use to connect with Beacons.ai in the next section. First, log into your Beacons.ai account through their website or app. Once logged in, navigate to your Beacons.ai dashboard and click on the Settings option. In the Settings menu, look for the Analytics section. Within Analytics, locate the Google Analytics option. Paste your GA4 measurement ID into the provided field. This ID should start with G and was obtained from your Google Analytics account. After pasting the ID, save your changes by clicking the Save button. Once saved, Beacons.ai will automatically integrate GA4 tracking into your bio page. You can verify the connection by checking your GA4 property for incoming data. After connecting GA4 to Beacons.ai, it's essential to verify that tracking is functioning properly. This ensures your data flows correctly and you can rely on the analytics for insights. First, access GA4's real-time reports. Go to your GA4 property dashboard and select Real-Time from the left menu. This section displays live data, including page views and events as they occur. Next, visit your Beacons.ai page. Open it in a browser and simulate user interactions by clicking on different links and engaging with your content. This generates events that GA4 can track in real time. Switch back to GA4's real-time overview. Within seconds, you should observe your page views and link click events appearing in the live data. This immediate feedback confirms that your GA4 integration with Beacons.ai is working correctly. If you don't see any data in GA4, troubleshoot by verifying your measurement ID. Go to GA4 Property Details and confirm the ID matches what's entered in Beacons.ai. Also check that privacy consent is properly configured to allow tracking. Verification complete. Your GA4 connection to Beacons.ai should now be confirmed through these real-time checks. With GA4 connected to your Beacons.ai page, you can access detailed performance data. Start by monitoring page views, which show the total number of times your bio page has been loaded or refreshed. Next, focus on unique visitors, which represents the number of distinct people who have accessed your page, regardless of how many times they return. This helps you understand your audience size. Bounce rate indicates the percentage of visitors who leave your page immediately without interacting further. A lower bounce rate suggests better engagement with your content. Average session duration measures how long visitors typically stay on your page. Longer durations often indicate more engaging content that keeps users interested. The traffic acquisition report is crucial for understanding your audience. It reveals which platforms drive the most visitors to your Beacons.ai page, such as Instagram or TikTok, helping you focus your marketing efforts. GA4's event tracking allows you to see which specific links on your Beacons.ai page are most popular. This data helps you optimize your bio page by highlighting what content resonates most with your audience. By regularly reviewing these GA4 metrics and insights, you can make data-driven decisions to improve your Beacons.ai page performance and better connect with your audience. GA4's privacy-focused features center around consent mode, which requires users to explicitly opt in before any tracking occurs. This helps comply with regulations like GDPR in Europe and CCPA in California. Consent mode enables dual-purpose tracking, collecting basic data for analytics while respecting user privacy preferences. This graphic illustrates the 5 key components of GA4 consent mode: the consent banner, dual-purpose data collection, benefits for user privacy, advantages for business analytics, and proper implementation steps. To integrate consent mode, Beacons.ai must display a consent banner on your bio page. This banner typically appears as an overlay with options to accept all cookies, reject all, or customize preferences. It ensures users have clear control over their data. Compliance is crucial for avoiding legal penalties. Under GDPR, websites must obtain explicit consent before collecting personal data from EU users. Similarly, CCPA requires businesses to honor opt-out requests from California residents regarding the sale of their information. To configure GA4, go to your GA4 property settings and enable consent mode. Set default consent states and ensure the system updates based on user interactions with the banner. This configuration ensures data is only collected with permission, fostering trust and helping you avoid potential legal repercussions. If you encounter problems connecting GA4, first double-check your measurement ID for any typos. Ensure that your GA4 data stream is correctly configured for your Beacons.ai page. Ad blockers can sometimes interfere with GA4 tracking. Advise users to disable them or implement server-side tracking solutions. Consult Beacons.ai's Help Center and GA4 documentation for more troubleshooting tips and solutions.